Creating the management collection, adding requests. Let's now create our first collection inside Postman. Let's understand collections and the collection runner in Postman. A collection groups related API requests like get, post, put, and delete, keeping everything organized and easy to share. For example, a student management API may include get, students and post, students. The collection runner runs all these requests automatically, supports CSV or JSON files, and is great for automated testing. Step-by-step guide. Creating your first Postman collection. On the Postman dashboard, start by clicking on the New Collection button to create a dedicated folder for your API requests. A small window will appear, asking for a name. Here, type Management. This collection will serve as your main workspace to organize all the API requests related to your project, such as adding new student data, viewing records, updating details, or deleting entries. You can also add a short description, like collection, for managing student information through API requests, which helps you or your teammates quickly understand the purpose later. Once you've named your collection, click Create, and it will appear in the sidebar on the left. Next, we'll start adding requests inside this collection. Click on Add a Request under the Management folder to begin. Give your request a clear, meaningful name such as Get Student Data, if it's used to fetch student details, or Add New Student, if you're sending new data to the server. From the drop-down next to the request name, select the appropriate HTTP method, for example, Get to retrieve data, Post to create new entries, Put to update existing information, or Delete to remove records. Thank you.